Okay, so I went and did something crazy. I know it's not leaving this mountaintop to go back home because Lord knows I wanted to set up residence right here. This place is so stunningly beautiful. No, it's not as beautiful as you see it in my phone. It is far more beautiful than you're seeing right now. Anyway, what is the crazy thing I did? I've had my business number 646-898-6890 for the last 7 years since I've had this business. It's what I started the business with. However, in November 2024, the number got crashed on WhatsApp and it could not function anymore. So WhatsApp said I should put up a new number, which I did. At the moment, I put up my Jamaica number, which I had sitting around. I should have used my other New York number, but silly me, I threw my Jamaican WhatsApp number up there. Now everybody thinks I'm a Jamaican-based business. We are not Jamaican-based. We are a U.S.-based business helping Jamaicans all over the world except Jamaica. We don't work in Jamaica. We don't help clients in Jamaica. If clients in Jamaica need assistance, we refer them to a local agent in Jamaica. All right, so sometime this week, July, what is this now? July, I contacted WhatsApp to say, hey, is the number working? They said, yes, it's working perfectly fine. I'm like, are you sure? They said, yes, the number is working. So I went on, tried on my WhatsApp business, and the number worked. I was so happy that my 646 number was working on WhatsApp business again. So, I decided to put it back, but I had to be strategic about how I put it back because clients have now had 3484969 for the past 8 months. You can't just cut them off all willy-nilly. And so I thought it out, I planned it out, but I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to notify those clients on 876-348-4969 that the number was moving. I did not realize that when anyone opened that number, they would see nothing and they would just be notified that the number has changed and no previous messages. However, do not be alarmed, not to worry. I have all the previous messages. So once you contact me again, you will see 646, but all the messages from the 3484969 number will be showing up anyway. I still have all messages. I've also moved the 3484969 to another phone, to my iPhone. I hate using that phone for my business. It's so annoying. I don't know how people love that phone. But I've moved the 3484969 to my iPhone, but I love doing business on my Android phone because it does everything very efficiently. So I've moved over my 646 to my Android and my 876 to my Apple phone, and now everything is right with the world. You can message us on either number. We will respond, but we prefer our 646-898 number. And here ends the story of the 646-898-6890 number for reaching 876 documents. Now, what is this heavenly place I'm having my soup at? And later on, I'll be having my cocktail by the pool overlooking the Blue Mountains. It is the lovely, lovely Strawberry Hill. Lord, the drive up there was treacherous. I'll make a video showing it. It is all precipice and all curves. If you've ever been to the Blue Mountain, you know what I'm talking about. But when you get up there, oh my God, the views are stunning. I need some land to buy up there. Anyway, this place is gorgeous. It has earned its reputation. The pool is perfect place. And when you say infinity, oh my goodness. I did not want to go back home. And even though the sun was out in full force, the sun was no match for the cool hills of the Blue Mountain. We didn't stay for dinner, even though my friend really, really wanted to stay for dinner and stay the night. But we decided to go back down and have dinner somewhere else. I am going back. That is needless to say. I am going right back.
Oh, is them show the...
Oh, look.
I was thinking...
Look.
Oh, the spider?
No.
Oh, the car. Oh, what shucks.
He's carved into the tree.
Lion and then...
Look at his face. Hold on a second. Why this person leg all the way up the with the lion there? That's funny. Who did? Oh, look. Another one. And another one. Where the face? Let me just see one face.
Yeah,
Oh, there is a lion. This person got them to climb the tree. Oh, look at the man.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the man. Look at his legs over the lion's head. That is Creative.
That's our dog.
Oh, look at her leg. Anyway. Okay, thank you for coming along with me on this little journey. These are snippets of the things I did and the things I saw while on my trip to Jamaica. Am I still in Jamaica? I'll never tell. Anyway, from here on out, it's just me and my flip flops. All right, thanks for watching.